Hi, everybody. Welcome to Lulu La Vida. And today, here I am. I want to share with you guys a very simple recipe for a Monday. And for me, Mondays, I call it lunes de hueva in Spanish, which is a late Monday mood, like a lazy Monday. So we're doing a quick recipe. So here it is. We got some linguine. We got some meatballs that are already pre-made. All you just have to do is just cook them. I mean, they're already assembled. I got my marinara sauce, some whipping cream. So we combine those, and then we're gonna have our Parmesan cheese that's shaved. My seasoning, Lulu seasoning, is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So we always have it combined already. Here we've got some onion and some fresh garlic cloves. So this is the pasta. Now we're gonna come up with our own garlic bread. So I have some sourdough. We got some butter, some real butter, and we're gonna add some garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. We mix it up, we toast our bread, and we add our butter. And then here's a lazy garden salad with our Italian dressing. There you go. And we call it a night. What do you guys think? Something simple, easy, no fuss. So, um, oh, I forgot to mention, we also have basil. I forgot to take it out. So you want to join me? Let's start cooking. So here we have our pot with water. We already seasoned the pot, and we have our skillet. Notice that the I have it at medium heat. So we already have our pan. It's already hot. So we added our oil. And then we have our water here. We're gonna wait till it's boiling, but we already seasoned it. So we're gonna add first our garlic and onion to the pan so it can release some of those flavors, and then we're just gonna add our meatballs, and we're just gonna cook them. It should be about maybe 8 minutes. Once we sear them, we can cover it up, and then I think it should be about 8 minutes total cooking time. So notice I didn't put a lot of oil, but that should be enough. So we just add our meatballs. Like I said, I bought them already pre-assemble, so I skipped that step. But if you have that and it's available, and it wasn't that expensive. I think I paid like $8 at Ralph's. So now we're gonna go ahead and just incorporate the garlic, the onion with the oil, and then 8 minutes later they're cooked. Now the water is boiling, so remember we want to cook our pasta al dente, right? So that's about 10 minutes. So we just put our timer for 10 minutes on this, and that should be enough, right? So yeah, let's put our timer. There we go. And then we forget about that. So here you go. Here's the meatballs. And then here we're going to wait for the the pasta to cook. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get a bigger skillet where we're going to go ahead and add everything together. So see, I have my big skillet now, and I have my olive oil. My pasta is drained, but I saved a little bit of the water in case I need some of that for later, because remember that's got the seasoning already. And now we're going to mix our sauces, okay? I forgot I took out the red crushed pepper, and I have my seasonings here, and I have my salad, and everything's all set up. I already cut up my sourdough, so that's done. So let's add our marinara sauce. See, this is I like this one. It's a little chunky. And now we're going to add our whipping cream, and we're going to make it a little bit more creamier. I think that should be enough. Whisk it around. You can tell is that's the consistency you want, the color. If not, you can add a little bit more. In this case, we're going to add a bit more, and I think that should do it. So now we're going to go ahead and season it with Lulu seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. 2 spoons of that, and then a little bit of red crushed pepper. So we mix that up, and then now we're ready to go ahead and add the linguine, the pasta, to our skillet. And I think that's good enough, right, guys? See, we don't want to have it too high because it's going to start splattering everywhere. As you can see, it already got my stove messed up, but it never fails. So here we are. We got our linguine. We're going to go ahead and mix it so we can incorporate the sauce and the meatballs, right? And then we're gonna garnish it with the stuff that we have, which is our Parmesan and our basil. So should be about 5 minutes to get this done. Let's see how it turned out, guys. Let's check it out now. So shouldn't take that long, see, because the pasta is al dente. So we just want to turn it over. So here we go. We added the Parmesan and the basil. We got our sourdough garlic toast and our salad, and just add a couple of tomatoes to our salad, our croutons, and your salad dressing, and there you have it. You have your linguine with meatballs, pasta, carbohydrates with protein, and then on the side you're gonna have your salad and your bread. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I tried doing it in a different way. So hopefully we'll see you next time. Make a comment and subscribe. Thanks.